textures. Close-up of a person cutting a white PVC pipe using a power saw, sparks and dust particles visible, hands wearing protective gloves, workshop environment, cinematic slow motion, high detail, multiple evenly cut PVC pipe pieces placed neatly on a wooden table, top-down view, clean composition, soft lighting, minimal shadows, tutorial-style layout. Heating a flat plastic sheet using a heat gun, the material slowly bending and softening, close-up shot, warm lighting, smooth motion, focus on transformation. Drawing measured shapes on plastic sheet using marker, precise lines, ruler visible, hands in frame, instructional feel, steady camera. Sanding edges of plastic using a grinding machine, sparks and dust flying, macro shot, satisfying detail, industrial workshop vibe. Measuring and marking a plastic container bucket with ruler, close-up of hands, accurate markings, clean workspace, tutorial focus. Attaching metal rod or screw to the container, drilling and fixing process, strong hand movements, detailed close-up, mechanical feel. Installing a custom-made feeding slot at the bottom of the bucket, smooth fitting, precise alignment, satisfying assembly moment. Pouring grains into the bucket feeder, slow motion falling grains, realistic physics, top angle shot, clean aesthetic.